weird sound. It's an Avant airplane. Wow. Really cool. Hi guys. Sean with Freedom to Ignite here. Walking the dog. Heard that really weird noise. I hope the audio picked that up, but never heard anything like that before. It's the Avant aircraft. I'll put a link down to it. Turbopropped, rear-facing motors. Excuse me, turboprop, rear-facing motor. Private plane. Awesome. So, heard this really weird noise and look up and there it was. So, anyway, thought I'd share with you guys. Beautiful day here. It's about 42 degrees. Anyway, see you guys later.